Okay, hey guys, how's it going? Today we are back with another high point video going to Spruce Knob, the highest point in West Virginia. This is also the highest point we've been to so far, highest high point. The elevation is 4,861 feet or 1,482 meters. Some other cool information: it's the 13th most isolated peak in the contiguous United States, 14th most isolated U.S. state high point, 23rd most prominent, and 24th highest U.S. state high point. All right, we are now coming up on the peak of Spruce Knob. It looked pretty foggy getting up here, but we shall see in a couple of moments. We are exactly 1.0 miles away. As I'm sure you've been seeing, this road is quite narrow. Crazy, and it really feels really high up. I don't know, it's just crazy to me that we were able to drive all the way up here. All right. Here we go. And here we are. The observation platform is right here. If we come around here, right here, certainly seems like it's it. Haha, there it is. There she blows. That is it. The highest point in the state of West Virginia. Set up. Yeah, no registration here. Not quite so. Doesn't seem to have been touched by the High Pointers Club. However, still decent amount of infrastructure with this thing. Let's head up the stairs. It's a lot less dodgy than the one in Pennsylvania. Feel a lot more safe. A bunch of people have signed the pillars here. And we'll continue our ascent. Here's what this looks like. Big old concrete structure. Looks like
fog.
Oh my god, it literally just came around us.
It was clear moments ago.
Aha, it's suddenly gone away. There it is. Okay guys, thanks so much for coming with us to see Spruce Knob, the highest point in West Virginia. Be sure to check out all the other high point videos if you haven't already, and tune in for the next one. Not quite sure when that'll be, but sometime soon for sure. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time.